Hello, welcome to this video on AI and adaptive and personalized learning. In this video, we are going to discuss the use of AI in education. That is, we are going to use Peridec, which is an interactive presentation tool designed to make lessons more engaging and student-centered. It equally works as an add-on for Google Slides or Microsoft PowerPoint, which allows teachers to embed interactive questions, polls, and activities directly into their slides. We are going to generate a lesson using AI on Peridec. The first presentation Peridec, we can switch to Peristats, which is a time-saving lesson plan. We have Peridec, which is interactive instruction. This is what we'll be using Peridec for interactive instruction. We have per practice, and we have per assessment, which is the versatile assessments. Now, how do I want to engage my students today? I can decide to convert curriculum materials, that is presentations, worksheet, or any other documents into an interactive and customizable lesson. Or I can decide to generate a lesson from scratch using AI, which is what I'm going to do now. We are going to try to generate a lesson. I've already generated a lesson here on future trip to Paris. Yes, a future trip to Paris. So, okay, we can generate our lesson now. And we are going to create an instance Peridec. Peridec's topic. Well, since I am a French teacher, we are going to do a French lesson on maybe Francophone culture. Grade level. A university student, so it has to be above. Advanced options. Subjects, it is foreign language, yes. Now, the lesson type, we have convert, we have a full lesson which has 17 slides and 3 learning objectives. We have targeted instruction, and we have end of class exit tickets. So I'm going to go with the targeted instructions, which has just 1 learning objective. Next, the content intent. We have topic instructions, content prep, and content review. I'm going to go with topic instructions to create a lesson about the topic discussed in the linked website. That's what we are going for. So while our lesson is generating, I'm going to give you the key features of Peridec. First, we have interactive question types, which includes multiple choice questions, text response, and number input and drawing. We have real-time feedbacks. Teachers can see student responses instantly and address misconceptions on the spot. Another feature, we have anonymous participation. Students can respond without fear of judgment, and this could encourage more honest engagement. Now, why is Peridec great for teaching? I think it's because it encourages active learning and participation. It supports formative assessments, helps with differentiation because you can tailor questions to different levels, and it works well in blended, flipped, or remote classrooms. Our lesson, Exploring Francophone Culture, has been created. So we are going to see what Peridec has suggested. Exploring Francophone culture, understanding diverse French-speaking communities, yes. It has given us the learning lesson objectives, understanding Francophone culture in daily life, words to know in this lesson, Francophone culture, diversity, cuisine, and heritage, exploring Francophone culture, So I made I think it's a 12 slide, 12 or 13, 13 slide lesson exploring Francophone culture. This is a quick accelerated lesson. I created another lesson on the future trip to Paris. Here, it is a complete lesson with 26 slides in total, with lesson objective still, words to know, exploring Paris. It really completes lesson from start to finish. So the teacher, Verdec, is a really it's really easy tool to use, and it is especially powerful because it works with low bandwidth setups, and it lets you reuse and adapt lessons easily. It supports multilingual prompts. That is, you can switch from one language to another, and in my case, I can switch between French, English, and even Pidgin English. Why not? Now, we are going to discuss briefly the difference between adaptive and personalized learning. Adaptive learning is technology adjusted content based on learner performance in real time. For example, I can give a grammar quiz that changes difficulty based on students' answers. As for personalized learning refers to learning whereby learning paths are tailored to individual goals, preferences, or needs. For example, you can let students choose between video, text, or interactive formats for a topic. Now, where do they overlap? Both aim to meet individual learner needs, and the difference between both of them is that adaptive learning is reactive, that is, it's based on data, whereas personalized learning is proactive, which is based on learner profile or choice. Asking ourselves now how Peridec supports learning, especially in a low resource environment. First, we will say interactive learning with minimal technology. As Peridec runs on basic devices like smartphones, tablets, and it works within Google Slides and PowerPoint too. We have engagement without heavy media. The platform supports real-time feedback, helping students stay involved without needing video or audio streaming. Next, we have differentiated instruction. Differentiated instruction is made easy, as Peridec allows you to tailor questions and activities to different proficiency levels, which is ideal for functional French learners in my context. I can equally scaffold vocabulary, grammar, or comprehension tasks using visuals, sentence starters, or translation aids. There is also offline preparation and online delivery, as you can design your lessons offline in Google Slides and then upload it when the internet is available. This flexibility suits intermittent connectivity, and once the tech is created, it can be reused and adapted, thus saving time and effort. Next is the fact that Peridec promotes metacognition and language practice. Features like think aloud strategy encourages students to verbalize their reasoning, boosting reading comprehension and self-awareness. Sorry, I can't seem to find where the feature is, but nonetheless, we are going to move. Peridec can promote learners to reflect in French, then switch to English for clarification. It also permits them to compare responses in both languages. Something I would like to add would be the ethical and inclusive design of Pear Deck. Pear Deck aligns with the UDF principle of offering multiple means of engagement, representation, and expression, which is a perfect match for lesson goal on building inclusive courses. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for staying to the end, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye.